Hello, Natalie. This movie is for you, and I hope that this little video will help you. First of all, for this class, you should always start from the home page. That should look like this. And here you have all the information you need, the assignments, the exam, worksheets, and looking ahead right here, you will see reference to Analyze My Diet and the Community Nutrition Outreach Project. Click on this link. You can also reach the same project by going through modules. And if you recall, modules are right here. So this is the second module. Here you have all the information. So you go through one by one. Start here. This tells you that there are two ways you can fulfill this project. You can volunteer at the food bank or write an alternate paper. In this video, I'll focus on volunteer at a food bank because this is what you asked me. If you don't have time to do the volunteering, please look at the alternate paper, which is a straight project. Right here, you're ready to go to the next step. This allows you to get access to a tool that follows your volunteering steps. I am going to skip this for now. If you're volunteering, I'll send you another video which explains how to use this Galaxy portal. Anyway, these are the frequently asked questions for this service learning portal. It's a tool of the Bellevue College, and that really will help you see how to go through every step. The next item on the module is the instruction themselves. So you will see here the full instructions, but what you will need is a proof of volunteer contact. You have contacted a volunteer organization, and they have responded with a time and date for you to volunteer. Then you will need proof of volunteer hours, just to show that you actually did the volunteering, and you turn in a short paper. Right here, if you click on this link, you will get to see the volunteer community paper, which I will show right here. And this tells you the purpose of the paper and the schedule. The paper itself is due on December 2nd, but please do all the arrangements now because the food banks are really overrun with volunteers right now. So right here you will see what is required, what kind of task, and what we ask is that you do actual handling of food and actual work in the bank as opposed to just collecting some cans, let's say at the supermarket. Here you have all of the details. The paper itself is about 2 pages, so you see it's not a very long paper. You will start with an introduction, then a reflection, and here are some of the items you may want to discuss. These are the kind of places where you can actually volunteer. So you see, you have quite a selection. I'll go back to the alternate to this page. This is the alternate paper. There are guidelines, and the guidelines just tell you how to write the paper on food insecurity, and this is a traditional paper. The last thing I think you were worried about is when do you turn it in. So this paper, actually, because it's a paper, is due on November 26th. The paper on community outreach is due on December 2nd. It's available right now just because some people have volunteered early and they want to be done with this part of the course before finals week. I hope this helped you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Remember that we can have an online live conversation We set a time. I will send you a link, and if you have speakers or just headphones, we can communicate live and you can ask questions and get immediately answers. Please let me know that this helped you, and goodbye.